How to remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to remove your Google Photos from your Gmail account, first open up your Google Photos. Now here, before we begin, let me tell you guys that you cannot directly remove Google Photos from your Gmail account, as your Gmail account and your Google Photos are connected. Now Google Photos is a standalone service that is associated to your Google account. So yeah, you cannot actually delete your Google Photos or remove your Google Photos from your Gmail account. But what you can actually do is you can delete your Google Photos. So if you simply don't want your Google Photos, you can remove all of your photos and then you can simply delete the app itself. And that should be working just fine. Now to delete a photo in your Google Photos, all you have to do is long press on it and simply select multiple photos if you want, then tap on delete. By doing this, you can simply empty your Google Photos and then you should be good to go. Now, if you just don't want to do anything with this Google photo, what you can do is you can simply delete your entire Google account. To delete your entire Google account, tap on the top right corner on your profile, tap on manage your Google Photos, and after you tap on it, here you will be on your Google account settings. Now you will need to head over to this data and privacy section. After you're here, scroll down all the way. And after you scroll down all the way, you'll find an option to delete your Google account. Tap on it and follow the prompt. You might have to type in your Google account's password, so do so, and then you can move on with the Google deletion process. And that's basically how you can remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.